What is up, Ever Gamer Squad? Today on the Seth Cooking, no, today we are going to take a look at how to watch a YouTube video like a pro. A lot of you may be thinking, oh, this is a funny video, haha, look at how to do a simple thing, but pro. No, there are videos for those. There's how to watch a YouTube video. There's, haha, I don't know how to comment, shut up. Look, here's the thing. A lot of people are very bad at watching YouTube videos. They can do them, but they are bad at it. So I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos like a pro. Before you get to the really important things like technique, first you've got to make sure you've got the right hardware. This means having at least one task that you're doing in the middle, whether or not it's watching a video, if you have a multi-monitor setup, or you just have your phone and you're doing something like an English paper. Have something that you are doing in the middle, and then to either your left or your right. I prefer left because I'm left-handed. Have that screen be playing the video. I recommend games that don't require volume, such as Minecraft or Among Us, because that way your video won't disrupt your gameplay. But you can play something like Overwatch or Fortnite that requires sound. It's just that be aware of the differences. With the multi-monitor setup, you can also just be typing an English essay or doing some other work like video editing. The possibilities are, well, they're limited, but they're not like that limited. Here's my setup. There's the buckets, which elevate my monitor, and it's obviously a standing desk. If you don't believe me, watch out, watch out. I'm not saying like I'm fit, I'm just like I wouldn't be able to do this sitting down. I would jump again, but my two options of what I hit are insulation and wood. Both options are bad, but if I move over here, I have the option of driving my head into nails. I would also suggest getting a meal while you're watching videos because, like, let's be honest, you're gonna be hungry while watching, like, this type of YouTube content, whatever type of YouTube content you watch. I am currently having some toast and a protein bar, as well as some grape juice. None of those go together at all, but I don't really care. It is very good. Use wheat bread because white bread is very bad for you, honestly, and use real butter, not margarine. Now that you've got the hardware specifications for watching videos, you're going to want to know the actual technique for watching a YouTube video. First off, obviously, go to youtube.com, and Ape can figure that part out. You're going to not just click on a video because that is the stupid way of watching a video. No. You right click and then open link in new tab and do the same for everything. Entertaining, funny moments. I love animation. Minecraft. And now you're probably going to be entertained for the next 3 hours, and it took like 2 seconds for you to actually do. Also, keep in mind, I know that this is in my recommendations. I don't know why. I rarely look up anything political. And then you're going to want to close out of the YouTube tab that you are currently in, and then you will start watching the videos. Oh look, Call Me Carson, my favorite YouTuber. I love the way that that's his humor, am I right? And then after watching the video all the way through, oh, that's a funny bit. You're going to want to close out of that tab, and then it will automatically shift to the next one. It's like binge watching on Netflix, but on YouTube. Like, how hasn't YouTube figured this out yet? They don't need to have their own like specialized their own YouTube shows or whatever. They can just like make a system where it just automatically just plays through every video. They should make it so autoplay is unable to be turned off. Another thing that you can do while you're watching the videos, because it's a passive task, you can do something active, such as lifting weights. Oh yeah, look at me, I'm so strong. I'm so getting that grind on. You can also run in place, but if you have headphones like these, I would not recommend doing anything that involves like jumping up and down, because this is what it sounds like. Another thing I would highly recommend is to watch your content faster, because let's be honest, if you are going to be like, productive, then you don't have as much time to watch videos. Now that's not saying like, oh, you should just stop watching YouTube videos, period. You should stop doing everything that's fun. No, that's stupid. You're gonna give up on whatever you're doing you're going to correlate your not having fun / a good time to doing that thing. So make sure to like have room for having fun, but also you can watch YouTube content slightly faster. If you're watching like a 1-minute video, it's not worth it, but if you're watching something like this, a 41-minute video, then I would highly recommend setting it to 1.25 times speed. And another thing, for whatever reason, a lot of people I talk to watch YouTube videos in like the stupid make window small thing, which is absolutely garbage. Like, the screen is way smaller. There's so much space that the screen could take up, but it's taken up by these videos displaying on the side. And that is the end of this video. Reminder, this video is not a joke. I am serious. Be sure to like and subscribe and share the video, and turn on notifications if you want to, because I put out the best content daily, and by the best I mean like fairly good for daily content. I know this was a bit of a short video, but I've got something big planned, and by big I mean like fairly large, not massive, but it's gonna be super cool. See you later.